Hey, so this is the LG G8X ThinQ dual screen smartphone I have here. So this was launched by LG last year at 55,000 rupees, and during the Big Billion Day sale I got it for only 20,000 rupees, and yeah, that's an insane discount for this smartphone, especially when it's a flagship smartphone and not a flagship killer smartphone. So it has all the features what the flagship killer smartphone misses, like the IP rating, the wireless charging, the optical image stabilization, everything. So let's unbox it. So this is the box we get, and inside of this box we have two boxes, one for the mobile, one for the dual screen case. Let's take a look at the mobile box first. So this is a festive special limited edition, and I have the 6GB RAM 128GB ROM variant here. The price mentioned on the box is 70,000 rupees, and it looks like this product was manufactured in Vietnam. So let's cut the seal open now. Now let's open the box. So first we have here this nice cloth for cleaning up the mobile, and then we have the mobile itself, and wow, it really feels premium in the hand. So let me put it aside for now, and let's take a look at what else we got in the box. So we have another box here, and inside of this box we have some user manuals and a case. So this is a transparent TPU case we got here. And in the user manual we got the SIM ejector tool. And then thanks to Apple, we don't get a charging adapter in the box. We only have this type A to type C cable. And then we have another box here, and inside of this box we got some extra ear tips and the earphones, and these are such nice quality earphones. And this also comes with braided cable, so that makes it really premium. Now let's take a look at the dual screen box here. So this is the box we get, and it is not for sale, and this is a LG original accessory. Let's cut the seal open now. Let me just pull out this screen, and here we go. So this is the dual screen case, and it's a bit heavy, I won't lie. Let's unwrap it. And wow, it really feels premium in the hand, and the hinge here is also really good. And here we also get this little accessory to charge it inside the case, and it connects via magnets. Wow, that's really cool. And this case is also manufactured in Vietnam. We are going to take a look at the mobile itself now. It really feels good in the hand, and the back here just looks gorgeous. So it is a shiny back, and it is going to attract a lot of fingerprints also. Let me get the stickers out of the way now. And now it's time to get rid of the screen protector too. Now let's boot the device up. While it boots up, here are some quick specifications of the mobile. It is powered by Snapdragon 855 processor. It has two 6.4-inch Full HD Plus OLED displays, one of which supports HDR10. Comes with 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage. Supports dual SIM. There are two cameras on the back and single camera on the front. It has 4000 mAh battery. Also comes with IP68 rating and wireless charging support, and it runs on Android 10. It has booted up. Now let's take a physical overview of the mobile. On the left hand side you got the volume rockers and the Google Assistant key. On the bottom you got the headphone jack, a mic, a Type-C port, and the speaker grills. On the right hand side you got the power key and a secondary mic, and on the top you got the SIM tray. Now on the front you got this single camera, a 32 megapixel selfie shooter, and On the back you have two cameras, they are flushed into the back. I have set up the mobile now, let's put it in the case. So here is the dual screen. Now I'm going to use it for a while and get back to you. So I've been using this mobile for 2 months now and it's amazing. I bought it for 20,000 rupees and at that price it's totally worth more than that. And now in the current sale it is sold for 26,000 rupees and even at that price it's totally worth it. Build quality of the mobile is really premium, you can feel it when you hold it. Here is the case and the build quality is really solid and the hinge is also really good. And here's the mobile, it comes with glass back, the aluminum frame and overall feels really premium in the hand and the build quality is really good. Now this mobile has these two gorgeous OLED displays at the front and these are just awesome. There are a number of tasks you can do with these two displays, like opening apps side by side. For example, you want to buy something, you can open Flipkart on one screen and Amazon on another screen and then compare the same product on both the screens. Or you can convert the whole display into a giant keyboard and type whatever you want. Or you can watch a YouTube video while chatting with someone. And there is also this really cool feature built in where you can convert the whole display to a giant gamepad and play any games with it. There are a number of gamepads available and you can also create your own gamepad. And you can do a lot more things with these displays. And in performance, this mobile is just so great. It comes with last year's flagship processor, the Snapdragon 855, and everything runs so smooth and you can just throw any task at it and this will handle it like a champ. Now the cameras here are really good. At the price this was launched, this was not that great, but at this price it's an excellent camera setup. So here are some camera samples from the mobile and as you can see, the colors, the dynamic range, the sharpness, everything looks just perfect, even in the low light conditions. I would say this is the best camera in a phone you can buy at this price point. Now the speakers on the smartphone are really great too. It comes with this stereo setup and the sound is really good. And it also comes with the headphone jack and it's not just an ordinary headphone jack, it is a 32-bit quad DAC headphone jack. Now the earphones provided with this smartphone are also really awesome. The build quality is really great and it even comes with this braided cable that just makes it really premium. And that paired with this 32-bit quad DAC headphone jack just make it the best earphone you can get in any mobile, including the Apple AirPods and Samsung AKG One. Now the battery on this smartphone is average when you use it with the case, but it is really good when you use it without the case. It easily gives you 6 to 7 hours of screen on time without the case. So that was my review on the LG G8X ThinQ, and in my experience it's a really great smartphone, and the dual screen here is not really of that use, but you can always use it without the case, and even without the case it's totally worth it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. See you again.